Innovative, portable, handheld printer from EBS Inkjet Systems. Eliminate the need for most manual coding methods like stencils, hand stamps, and roll coders. Handjet EBS 250 and 260 lightweight contact-free handheld inkjet printers. Print legible marks, codes, images, logos, barcodes, and more. Print up to 4 separate lines in a single pass. Print heights from 0.276 inches to 2.2 inches in height. Mark on nearly any surface. Porous and non-porous substrates like concrete, metal, plastic, glass, wood, cardboard, and more. Choose from a variety of quick-drying and application-specific inks, ethanol, acetone, or mech-based. Many colors available. Adjust on the fly. The printer's onboard 3.5-inch touchscreen controller enables the user to view the message being printed and various operational parameters. Use a touch of a finger to adjust print parameters. The printer's large, highly readable screen ensures optimum printing results without interrupting workflow. Communicating with the Handjet is simple. Use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Log into an existing Wi-Fi network and operate through the Firefox browser using the latest Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, and/or Android software. Easy handling. Weighing just over 3.5 pounds, the unit features an ergonomic hand grip to ensure comfortable and well-balanced handling. Effortless cleanup. A handy cleaning cartridge can be installed in just seconds to remove ink and flush the system. The lighter weight 250 model is just over 2 pounds, including its onboard rechargeable battery and ink cartridge, and is the ultimate in lightweight, compact coding. Brought to you by EBS Inkjet Systems USA, provider of leading-edge contact-free inkjet printers. EBS USA industrial inkjet printing systems are successfully used in a wide variety of industrial and service applications.